Welcome back to Microsoft Access tutorial 3. In this video, I'll talk more about forms in Access, how to navigate through records in a form. So let's get into the practical stuff. In last video, I talked about how to add record, delete, duplicate, and save record. In today's video, I'll talk about how to navigate through records in a form. So first, I'll have to drag this button here. I'll have to select record navigation and then I'll click on go to first record and select text. Okay, and click on next button. I'll hold shift and select all these buttons and make alignment top, so you can see a little bit up. Okay, so I'm not focusing on design right now because this is an automatic form. So when I'll create a blank form right from the scratch, so then we'll focus on design part. Save it and then close it and double click on this. So this is by default first record and then first record, last record, then first record, next record, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then again last record, previous record, you can see previous record, last record, first record, next record. So that's how you can navigate through the records in form, right? So let me tell you one more thing, how you can create a split form. There is one more form, split form, right? First you have to select the table and then click on split, and then you will save it, and you can give information to, right? Now you can see this form. So here you don't need any sort of navigation buttons over here. You can navigate through all the records here, and even you can change it. See, there is no student name. You can put student name, anything like ABC. The moment you click on contact numbers, you will see that here ABC. When you can put contact number as well. So when you use tabs, so you will see these information. An email, you can put anything. These information can be, you can change from Delhi to UP, so you will see the changes there, right? So here you can change it from UP to Delhi, so you will see that row number 2 is changed now, Delhi, UP to Delhi. Let's change this one, 18, ID 18 here, from MP to Delhi. Moment I click on tab, so you can see. So that's how you can play around this split form. So it gives you a form view as well as table view in one screen. It's nice. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video interesting, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.